Get down. I told you that this is your stubbornness. Right? So you are the idiots, the maggots. Come to think of the fact that a fair porcupine is before me. You slept with a woman. Ah. My prince. My prince, please. Please, Onyeka, my cousin, can be stubborn. But to touch another man's woman, no. Please. Dirty POS man. With the princess of Umuachi kingdom. No. See, this is a pure allegation. Just to spoil his reputation in this village. Please. Enough! My prince, please. Calm down.
Let's find out the truth from him.
The truth. All right. Go ahead. Find the truth.
Yeah, one culture. The princess of Umuachi kingdom said that she gave out her virginity to you. And you defied her, which was purely consensual. Is it true or false? Za?
Young man,
can't you talk?
I do not have all the time. Answer the damn question!
Are you
dumb? Did you touch or sleep with my woman? My queen! Did you lay your hands? Did you?
Yes, I did.
Hey!
Oh no.
A second.
Hey. Aro. Hey. You did what? He said he did. You all heard him. He said he did. Very well then. I like your gods. I will ask you for the last time. Why?
I didn't force her. I didn't force her. She freely gave it to me, and I freely accepted. She said the prince cannot handle her. She also said the prince has a small penis.
What? Just say me.
No! No!
I just had a dream. What? Me? Defile the princess? How? God forbid. God forbid. God forbid. God forbid. What kind of dream is this?
Mama. Hey, okay. My very good friend. Oh yeah, no time. Transfer 100,000 for me. You know? Yeah? Onyeka!
Huh?
What is it? Huh? I want to make a transfer. I'm going to take. No time. Transfer. There's no time. They're waiting for me. 100,000. One season. Hi.
Should I add the charges?
Yes, do it. Onyeka organism. What is the problem? Make the transfer, let me go. There's no time. Ah!
Brother, this dream is not ordinary. It's not ordinary. You see that prince? They should better fear me. Oh. This dream is not ordinary at all. Oh. It's not ordinary at all. Oh. The other day, it was the prince splashing you water. After splashing water, he still have the mind to flog you. Now he want to kill you. Brother, they should fear me in this village. Oh. They should fear me. Oh. They are looking at me as if I'm a girl. They don't know that I have a man behind me. Left, right, the man is following me. I have inbuilt man. They should fear me. Oh. Men and gods of this land, hear me. Oh. I have declared war against the royal house. Oh. They should fear me. Oh. They should use my brother and Solaram. Oh. They should use my brother and Solaram.
Yeah, Ada.
Brother, don't beg me. Don't beg me. Ayokwanam. Because now I've declared war. Ayokwanam. Don't beg me. Oh.
Me beg you. Are you mad?
Am I not siding you?
Shut up! Did you put sugar in this rice?
No.
How many cubes of Maggi did you use?
8.
Hey!
Brother, is this small?
Hey! I knew it. I knew it. Ada, I knew you have always wanted to kill me. 8 cubes of Maggi in this small cup of rice I asked you to cook. What is wrong with you? Are you out of your mind? Do you want to kill me?
It's sweet now.
The last time I asked you to cook for me, Ada, I ended up sleeping in the toilet because I stood from morning till night. Eh? What can you do? No, tell me, Ada, what exactly can you do? No, maybe I have to go and employ a chef or send you to a catering school because there's nothing, absolutely nothing you can do. Eh? You want to kill me so you can go and marry that your stupid Jojo boyfriend?
I don't call my boyfriend stupid though.
8 cubes of Maggi in 1 cup of rice. Hey, take.
But brother, the rice is sweet though. Is it not this way that my boyfriend ate and he was so happy? You're just the example of what is ungrateful. Jojo ate this rice and was kissing me. He's not kissing me. But he said the rice was sweet. It's you now that ate it that is now bitter.
Ada, what did you say? You gave my food to your boyfriend. Ada? Wait, you gave this food to your boyfriend before I ate it? Hey! Now I understand. Okay. You're one of my enemies. I see. You've been pretending all along. Okay, take. Carry it. Carry it. Take, ma. Take. Walk, go away. Go and give it to your boyfriend.
I will go and give it to him. You're just ungrateful. Everything I do.
And that God will punish you. You gave my food to your boyfriend to eat before me. Do you know that's an abomination? Come and marry him, let me see. Ada, come here.
My prince. Yeah, my prince.
Are you mad? No. There's something wrong with you.
No.
What are you doing on my bed?
My prince, I was just checking the spring because of the things that are coming.
I guess you're stupid. What do you want?
I came to tell you that I want to go and bring the Oma. And this time I'm going to the Federal University.
I see. But please, ensure you get clean ones.
Okay.
I do not want the ones with Beku's order. That will make me not to breathe well. What did I say?
You don't want the ones with Beku's order.
I do not want the ones with Beku's order.
Yes, you don't want the ones with Beku's order.
Good. Take one of the cards and then hurry.
Okay. My prince, please, can I put one mbada for myself?
You big fool. No, put your mother too for yourself.
She's not a virgin.
Get out.
Yeah.
Your Highness.
Yes.
Like I said, in the next 7 market days, we shall be hosting our prospective in-laws.
In fact, I am very, very happy.
Mm.
You see, I can't wait to be in a marital relationship with the family of late King Uzondu.
You can say that again, Your Highness.
My lord, we have waited for so long.
Mm.
I am happy it's coming to pass.
Yes, so
I can't wait to see them get married.
honestly. So, Your Highness,
Yes.
I will be on my way now.
It's okay.
So, Mecha, I will come back.
Go well anyway.
Thank you. Lolo.
It's okay.
Cordeno.
Thank you.
Yeah.
My regards to them.
Okay.
Uncle! Uncle!
Chi, okay. What is the problem?
I hate the prince. I have caught him countless of times, sleeping with the palace maidens. How can I get married to such a person? No, uncle. I can't even tell my parents because they will never believe me. Uncle, this is really killing me. They don't care about my feelings at all. They don't care about me. But you, uncle, you understand my pain. You know how I feel. This culture is barbaric. Uncle, how can I present my undefiled body to him? Tell me, he's a serial cheat. He has no sacred soul in his body.
You see, Chi, the problem I have here is that you are betrothed to Prince
Oh,
Ezechi.
please, may the gods kill him.
No. Shh, don't say such.
No, uncle. I'm sick, tired, dying, frustrated. I just pretend daily to smile. I pretend I'm fine, but I'm not. No, I am not. Listen, uncle. If my father gets a wind of this, he will beat the living daylights out of me. And my mother, the queen, she sugarcoats everything. A man will always be a man. Come on, uncle.
You see, I appreciate the fact you confide in me. I promise to visit the kingdom and I will have a meeting with the prince. This is what I'm going to do for you as my niece. You know, it's something that I cannot stop. I do not have the power, not even your father. So please, I will not want you to do anything funny. Pico, please.
It's okay, uncle. Goodbye, uncle.
Shall we? Oh, my beautiful daughter. You are set already?
Yes, Mom.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
My daughter. My angel, you are not looking nice at all. You are not happy. Is anything the matter? Talk to your mother.
Cramps. I have cramps.
Oh.
That's all.
Irregular flow?
Started earlier this month.
It's okay. You'll be fine, okay?
Of course, Mom.
Don't worry. Shall we?
Sure.
My prince. My prince.
Where are the girls?
Hi, my prince. Odoguoke.
Stop being stupid and where are the girls they sent you?
My prince. See, the food I brought for you. It's not Belgian, no. It's follow come. I have to go round the campus looking for Ife Abuba, Ife meat.
Madoka,
Yeah, my prince.
can you stop being stupid? And I ask again, where are the girls?
My prince, they are here. Come in. Oh, shake something for my prince.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Shake something for my prince. I kill my prince with enjoyment. What is all this? Oh, sit. Hi, my prince. Now you will see the prodigy that I'm telling you about. Wiggly. Shake something for my prince. Shake it. Use and kill him. Oh yeah, show him the front side. Oh yeah, bounce it. Ide. Ayaka, sit down. My prince, I told you that enjoyment is for you. Okay. Oh, my prince, don't look at this one's size. They call her Rigmaro. Oh yeah. Joy! Oh, what is all this? Sit down. My prince, see, I am the minister of enjoyment and uku.
Madoka,
Yeah, my prince.
you know the rules. Hope these girls are not smelling. Listen, Madoka. If I perceive any kind of smell, I am going to so beat you. I will beat you until you faint. And I will make sure I also slap you until your face got swollen. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, my prince. Yes. Please, girls, you know, I don't play with my business. If you know you're here and you have a little touch of smell, of gono, or a little touch of staphylococcus, I don't even want to talk of opa or ogilope, that one, Hona. So, if you know you're here, identify yourself.
Please, we are clean girls.
You speak for yourself, not we.
See, we are very neat. Even down there, you need to see it.
Oh.
It scents nice.
Oh, my prince, they said everywhere is wololo.
Madoka,
My prince.
take them to my room. The weekend is nice already.
Oh yeah, girls, let's go.
One more thing. Madoka,
My prince.
Hold your ears. Make sure my stuff, my t-shirts, especially my jewelries, are intact. If I dare look for any of my things, I'll seize your salary for 6 months.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yes, my prince. Yes. Please. If you know you have spirit of akantoto, that is piki, or maybe if you pass, something will lose. It's not that you intend taking, or maybe your shadow will not take. Identify now. Because you see this salary sign.
Please, spare me that. We are classic girls, don't you see? We are classic. We can't steal anything from him.
No problem.
Your
Let's go.
Majesty.
Let's go. You know, agreement is agreement. Let's go. This way. As you're going, be shaking it, so that the prince will see. And hurry up. Odogu! My prince. I still have a bitter cola and small cucumber. I'll put it in the room for you, but I don't know. Will you let me mix small cement? You just put it in the drink so that it will cake your waist. You will not come.
Get out!
My prince! Your food is ready.
Sure, Silas. What is it?
The prince just cancelled our meeting. Says till further notice.
Principal. But the prince will know that we are to make him the next king in no distant time. And we're supposed to be in the palace every day.
And now, Lolo and her daughter are likely to be in the palace. That's if they are not already there.
I don't think this prince is serious. Anyway, let's go. I'm not even feeling too strong. Let's go so that I can go and rest.
And just imagine. Let's go.
Come in. Yes. So, you know, say, you only fit carry horse, go river. You not go force am to drink water. I don't carry na reach the river. So, now na hand the day. If una fit knack my oga well, like Nakademus, you go do na well. Because I know am, but if una no knack am well, that one concern you now. Una must knack and go reach the Pontu side. So
calm down, don't worry. We are going to take care of him. Give it to him.
Round around, I trust you. Oh yeah, now. Well, I enjoy.
Wow, this place is beautiful, girls.
It's very, very beautiful.
I saw you. Oh my goodness. Oh, so I can't wait to have some friends. Oh my goodness. Let's give it to him. Back to back. Oh my god. Guess what?
What?
That prince is very cute too.
Yes, it is. But I'm here for the money, babes.
But babe, so what if he asks about marriage?
Oh my god! See this one, see this Ashawo. Before your consent market, they talk about marriage. Don't you know that? That prince now maybe has been betrothed with one sweet, beautiful princess abroad. You are here talking about money, talking about marriage.
See, better face what you carry come here. We are here for the money, okay? Marriage have I beg you. I beg go see.
Abio. All eyes on the
Money!
marriage.
To give him all this.
Can you imagine? You are useless. You are foolish. You are a fool. I sent you to the palace to go and work and bring food for me to eat in this house. When if they have nyam, rice, gari, even ofe, I don't mind. But what did you do? You went to the palace and got pregnant. Ordinary guard at Obalogime. Ordinary guard, palace guard that cannot even bathe himself very well. That cannot even afford to feed himself. He remembered your 2 tiny legs and he got you pregnant. He came to this house to come and go and carry those vegetables.
Mama, I'm not feeling fine. Tomorrow I'll sell them.
Oh,
Please.
You're not feeling fine. Tomorrow you go and sell them. Okay, I'll go and sell them. Okay? Then buy food. Come back to this house and give you to eat. Who is maltreating? You are the one maltreating you. I'm not maltreating you. Okay, ma. Okay, ma. Hi, you are useless. Like your mother. See how ugly you are. In fact, you are smelling. Your character is smelling. You are smelling. You can't even bathe. Useless girl. I'm ugly chef. In fact, who will call you chef? Ordinary cook, Kebo. Ordinary cook. Hi. Ngwa. Alele.
Please, I'm not feeling fine.
I sit down. Come on, sit down. No, stupid girl. I know, man. Come,
Take.
That's 70,000 naira. I'll give you the rest of the money by the end of the week.
Onyeka. Onyedika.
What is it? Baby.
Don't answer me like that. Don't you ever. I mean, 70,000 naira for what?
Baby, that's...
For what? I'm asking you. To go back to school or what? Listen, I am sick and tired of this relationship. I am not finding it funny anymore.
Oh, baby, how can you be sick and tired of the relationship? Because I gave you 70,000 naira is a lot of money now.
How is it a lot of money? I'm asking you.
I just told you that I'm going to give you the rest of the money by the end of the week.
Why are you like this? Why are you like this? Eh? Some other girlfriends, they are giving them 1 million, 2 million, cars, even iPhone. Eh? How is your problem like? Why are you being so stingy?
How am I being stingy? I just gave you 70,000 naira. I said by the end of the week, I'll balance the money for you.
Balenciaga, listen, I am tired of being an understanding girlfriend. As a matter of fact, I am living here with 100,000 naira. Yes! Just 100,000 naira, you're giving me stories. Do I used to give you story anytime you want to come?
So I want to take it now.
Do I used to give you story anytime you want to come? What is that? What is that? Okay, your name?
Baby, listen, it hasn't gotten to this.
It has gotten. It has gotten.
No, now, but you have to understand me. I'm doing business.
I don't care.
This is all the money I have here.
You have to have more. You have to have more. You have to have more.
Okay, you know what? It's fine. Don't worry. I know what to do.
Just look after the shop for me. I'm coming.
How? As how? Wait to hear. Come. As how? As your as your sales girl or what?
I said look after the shop. I'm coming. Did you ask me where I was going to?
I don't know where you're going to.
I'm going to get the rest of the money for you now.
As how? You can come to my house.
Amaka, this shop belongs to you and I. Stay here and wait for me. I'll be right back.
I am not staying. You are a man and you are a provider. Yes, go and hustle. You will meet me in the house.
Amaka, this shop belongs to you and I. Sit down here. Help me look after my shop. I'll be right back.
I can never. This shop is only you. This is where you get money. You cannot expect me to sit here as your sales girl. I cannot. Mamie. What is going on? Why are you telling me stories, Onyeka? Do I tell you story anytime you want to come? And anytime you come, you always cry. Eh? Make me cry for money. I deserve it. Eh? Because I know it's sweeting you. So make me come. Let this money sweet me.
Amaka, don't I provide for you?
As what? What have you provided?
So just this one time I didn't give you money. I'm no longer your boyfriend.
Anytime you want to do I used to tell you that one time? Do I used to tell you so?
Wait for me, I'll be right back.
How? How now? I've told you I am not your sales girl. Bring the complete money. You meet me at home. Yes. It's simple as that. Next time I will not make you cry. I will not make it too sweet again. Let me go. I like money. Supposed to know. You're a provider, so you'll continue to provide for me.
Amaka, wait for me in the shop. Let me go and get money for you.
I could come make a jar.
That we're doing now.
Buy ugu, fresh ugu.
Huh?
Fresh ugu. Why can't you watch where you're going?
Sorry.
I'm so sorry.
I'm seeing my vegetables are on the ground.
So sorry. I didn't see you. I was talking to my customer. So sorry, please. Sorry. Sorry.
It's fine.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Give me.
I'm so sorry.
It's fine. Just go. Thank you.
You're pregnant?
Yes, I am.
I'm so sorry. It wasn't intentional. I was talking to my customer and I didn't see you.
I know. It's
I'm
fine.
sorry.
Thank you.
Hold on, please.
Okay.
Please just manage this, eh?
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Don't mention, it's okay.
God bless you.
Please take care of yourself. Sorry. I'm so sorry.
Thank you. Bye, Ogu.
Sorry.
My prince! My prince! Oh, my prince! My prince! What is your problem? Why are you screaming my name? Are you mad? No, I'm sorry. My prince, what is it? My prince, guess who is at the gate?
Maduka, you're still drinking, right? Who is it? My late father, right?
Hey, my prince, guess.
Your father failed it. What is it?
No need, my prince, no need. Princess Chisimde and the mother.
What? Chisimde and the mother is here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you know what? Go and get them. Open the gates!
See, my prince, but you need to dress up, because you cannot receive them like this. Your Odoguru is even showing. Or you want to answer them.
Go and do the gate, fool. I'm about to what's all this nonsense?
Girls, I'm tired. I'm even hungry. I just wish that guy that brought us here could get us something to eat. I'm very tired. Where do you have his number?
Hey. Get out.
I don't understand. What is it?
I said get out. Come on, stand up, get out. Stand up, get out. Leave.
I don't understand.
If I meet you there, I'll kill you. I said get out of there, you say you don't understand. Welcome. Behold my joy, my princess, the Rose of Sharon. I adore your humble presence.
My goodness.
Come here. You're welcome, Lala.
Thank you. Princess Zechi, you always have sweet words in your mouth for your future queen.
You're still a gentleman like your late father.
Thank you. I appreciate. Once again, you're welcome to my humble palace, and I welcome you in the name of the gods.
Thank you so much.
Where's this girl? Ogechi! Ogechi! Come. Hurry. Ogechi, please take the queen to the guest room to cool off while I take my future queen around. With your permission, my queen.
Go ahead and do that. Okay, shall we?
Eze, hold on now. Why are you putting that?
What's your problem? Maybe 30,000 you want.
Okay, is this 30,000? Make it 35
My
now.
friend, it's like you are not interested in this again. Fat. Take.
Is it complete?
It's complete. Count.
Hold this phone.
I will hold it.
Okay. You count it to make sure.
So it's complete.
Eze.
Hmm?
Listen carefully.
Okay.
I'm not selling my phone to you.
You say?
I'm not selling my phone to you. By Monday, I'll return your money and take back my phone.
That Monday, by 12, I know Siam, the phone don't go.
How?
Yes, now. Because I know so you go delay.
How?
One or two things go make you delay.
Hold on now. Listen, I said by Monday, I'll return your money and take back my phone, please. The contacts in this phone. Just make sure my phone is safe. Biko.
Okay. Make I also remind you, say, na 30,000 I give you, so Abi.
Yes.
The percent of this na 10%.
10%?
Not 10%.
But 10% is too much now.
Oh, yeah, take your phone. Give me.
No, wait. Take 8% is fine.
See, I know one vex here. Now, the way they call me, that make me wrong. They come here because of you. So no gonna
Okay,
give me
no
this
problem. I'll give you 10%. But please, make sure my phone is safe. Biko.
I think I don't hear you. 12 I don't see the money. Phone, bye-bye. Oh, yeah, can phone, bye-bye. I talk my own now.
On Monday, I'll see you on Monday.
No problem, I go still see the phone on Monday.
What is it?
It's complete now. It's complete. I wanted to count it.
Transportation money.
Count it first now.
I said transportation money now.
Transport.
Ha. What's ha? Oh, you want me to trek to school? Or I should fly?
I didn't say you should fly now, but you should have asked me if I had transport money to give you.
Because I know you have. You have.
But say thank you for this one first.
Oh,
now.
thank you. Can I have my transportation money? Be romantic for once.
Romantic?
Yes.
Women and money.
Yes.
Women and money. Take. That's 5,000.
5,000.
Women and money. 5 and 6.
Good, thank you. So won't
Let's
you escort
go.
me to the park?
Let's go.
Can you be romantic? Stop this thing now.
What has romance got to do with this now?
Yes, I'm your baby. You have to be romantic. Somebody that will see us now will think I'm maltreating you.
Are you not?
I am not, my love. Or you help me with my bag.
I don't know what romance has got to do with this. Romance.
Because you're my boy.
Let's
my
go.
baby.
Your boss will leave you.
Be going.
Let's go now.
I say you love me. You will not say you love
me.
me.
Your boss will leave you. Let's go.
My mother, the queen, and my youngest sister will be coming back tomorrow.
Yeah. I am aware of their return.
Okay? And when they return, it's going to be a huge surprise for my precious jewel here.
Wow. I can't wait to witness it.
Sure, it's going to happen. It will happen.
My angel,
Mother.
are you enjoying the meal?
It's delicious.
I know you're going to like it. I personally instruct the cook to make something very delicious for you.
Thank you. I'm honored.
You're welcome. Well, this is my room. Relax.
Of course. Are you okay? You seem a bit nervous.
Nervous? No. Sometimes your presence makes me feel like that. Your presence makes me feel that way. But I want you to know that a lot is creeping on my heart right now.
Although I feel differently.
Really?
Anyway, my friends, do you think we can make a great kingdom?
Perfectly. Perfectly. You and I will make a great kingdom, right? We're going to be one of the greatest king and queen of our time. I can assure you that.
Sounds nice. But if I may ask you, my friends, what's your take on the ideology of a man having several wives?
Well, I will tell you here and now that all I need is you and you alone. Forever and ever. Amen. Well, as the Christians will say on the daily prayers.
Interesting.
You're welcome.
This lovely lingerie, I'm sure it must belong to the princess, I presume.
Yes, it should. The princess, but I didn't even know when she came into the room. Let me keep it for her, my princess. Hold on.
It's okay, I'll just go wash my hands downstairs. Oh, I'll like you do one downstairs.
All right, I'm up to you. I'm coming.
Your father called.
Oh, okay. Why?
He said you'll be spending 2 nights in this palace.
Again?
Yes, that's the tradition. The chief priest will come. My daughter, are you still a virgin?
That I am, mother.
Oh, beautiful. It will add more value to you in this kingdom. You've been talking with your uncle lately. You don't want to share?
Oh, well, we talk about things you already know, mother. You know, about my proposed marriage to the prince.
It's all right. That's beautiful.
How are you? Look at you. How are you?
I'm fine.
You're welcome.
You did not call me again.
Sorry. How was your trip?
It was hectic. My legs are hurting and
Ooh.
I'm so tired, baby.
It's okay.
Hope you massage me.
I will. Anything for my baby.
Okay.
Your wish is my command.
Yes, baby.
Let's go home.
And
Let's go home.
okay. I've missed you so much, baby.
Me too.
Why is she not taking my calls? Is she not close to her phone?
You tell me more about your trip.
I've missed you so much.
Me too.
Why is she not taking my calls? Maybe her phone is in her bag. Maybe she left her phone in her bag.
Hey, take your corner.
No, it's my other brother. He wants to know if I've gotten home.
Then pick the call and let him know you're on your way.
I will call him later. I don't want anybody that will disturb me or distract me.
All right.
Just relax. Yes. Baby, I've missed you so much.
I miss you too.
Hope you take me to club. I've missed going to club and all that.
Yes. Anything for you, babe.
Thank you, baby. And I love you so much.
I love you too.
I was like, I can't wait to see my baby. My baby.
It's all good.
I need 2K. Okay, I want 2K. I want 2,000 naira cash. I need 2,000 naira cash.
Cash? I'm sorry, I don't have cash.
2,000 naira only.
I don't have. I can do a transfer, like a mobile transfer.
What of 1K?
I don't have cash.
Any cash? You don't get any cash at all.
So what you do is go straight down, all the way down to that junction there. There are other people, there. You can ask them. I'm sure they will have.
Wow.
I want you all to listen and listen attentively. If the princess gets to find out that there are 3 maidens in this palace, I'm going to kill all of you. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, my prince.
Get out.
Sir?
I said get out. Hey, Ogechi, wait. Come here. I know the princess will interrogate you. But you dare not tell her about our affairs. Or by chance, tell her there are 3 maidens in this palace. Because if you do, Do you know what is going to happen to you?
No, my prince.
I'll tell you. I will instruct the guards to take you to Yinjaba. And then they will throw you inside. You're going to drown there peacefully. The woes will eat you up. And that will be your end. Trust me, nothing will happen. Do you or do you not understand?
I understand, my prince.
Good. Now that we're on the same page, you can fly, run, or disappear. Whichever you choose. Get out!
Your garment is full of impunity. Your garment is soaked with blood. He thinks he's Alpha and the Omega. What he says stands. Blood creating enmity between kingdom and the God. Blood creating enmity between kingdom and the God.
Asam, baby uncle. Eh? I've sent you 70,000 now. I went to POS to do transfer. Which money are you talking about again? 30,000. Okay. I will do that one later. I'm very busy now at the palace. You say? You want to come? No. Don't bother. No. No, say, in fact, no visitor comes to the palace this period. Except you're a chief, you're a king from another big kingdom. Yes, no, you can't come. No. I'll do it later, yes.
Ogechi, come here. So you did not see me?
Will you say you did not see me? You are walking like you're going to sell land.
What is
it? My girls, they don't chop. Have you given them food?
Which girls?
Ha! So, wait, so you don't know my second duty in this palace? That I am the king of supply Yaumwa every weekend to the prince. The king of supply Yaumwa every weekend to the prince.
I don't know.
Hi! Oh, how will you know now? When this your brain has knocked. How will you know? My friend, go and give them food. Go and give them food. Idiot.
Let me just tell you something. He that is giving out people's yam for goat to eat, while protecting his own, one day, they will eat your own yam and eat your own goat.
Meaning what now? Who is the goat? Who is the yam? You must be the yam, because you look like tuber of yam. Wait, Okay, so the prince is the goat. So who will now be the yam? In fact, you have fired yourself by yourself for yourself. You have fired yourself. You gotta know that when they saw. The prince is the goat. Me, I can't be the yam now. I'm not as fat as yam.
Sorry, don't I know you? Were you not the one I saw earlier today?
I was the one.
What are you doing here? And you're crying. You're sitting by yourself. What's wrong?
My stepmother will kill me if I don't sell these vegetables. I can't go back. She will beat me up.
Somebody will kill you in this condition. How? Why? Why should anyone do that? Where's your husband?
It's a long story, and I don't intend sharing with anybody. Just go, sir. I'll be fine. Go, I'll be fine.
Wait. How much is the entire vegetable?
1,500 naira, sir.
Let me see if I have. See, I want to buy up the entire vegetable, okay? But there's a problem. I don't have any money here. But you have to come with me to the house. Is that okay?
Yeah,
you can trust me. You can trust me.
Yeah, I will.
Because I have money at home. I don't have any here. So if you follow me to my house, I'll buy up everything, okay? I'll give you the money.
Okay, sir.
But don't you have any brother, any sister? Do you have any sibling?
I have step-siblings. One is married and the other one is still in boarding school.
Oh.
I left school when my dad died.
Okay. Hey, let's go, okay? Once I get to the house, I'll give you the money.
Thank you so much.
I'll buy up the vegetable. I'll just cook with it. Eh?
Alright, thank you,
let's
sir.
go. Let me help you with that.
Thank you.
Come, give me your hand.
Ow!
Sorry, come. Sorry.
Thank you.
Hey, but
Thank
I wanted to ask
you.
you, do you have any type of problem with your stepmother?
Yeah, she's mean. She hates me.
Foolish girl. Anomano.
Look at him, you come back from the market. Since so total. Since morning. Die now. This girl, die. Can't win no peace in this house. Die. What is all this? You have the cost to use my money and buy akara. And eat. How dare you?
Mama, I didn't spend your money, I swear.
I'm talking about, okay, I'm lying.
No.
What? I'm lying. This girl die now. Die with your baby.
God forbid.
God forbid. You're already dead now. You're already dead. Useless girl. Stupid girl. Can you imagine how much like you don't even... You see, you will die, you will die.
Hey! Wamulamu. Nenka mulamu. Hey! Sorry. Sit down. Wamulamu. Achalugum. Apa? This is pregnancy.
Mama, what is happening here?
Anomano. You see this girl? This girl is a witch. If Olonwa, she wants to kill me. You know that this girl called me a witch. I sent her to the market since morning. Or where poor? How am I even sure that she should not go to that useless palace guard of a boyfriend? How much that you did not?
No, I did not.
Anoma, she called me a witch. That I want to kill her.
No.
Can you imagine?
That's not true, sister.
And maybe for joy we have all this girl in this house.
You dare to call my mother a witch?
No,
my own mother. My own mother, you dare to insult my...
No. Don't stress yourself. Don't stress yourself.
Mama, I did not.
Are you still talking?
Mama.
You did not.
Mama, I told you to discard this girl. This rubbish. Take her out.
She's gonna meg me.
I don't know. Why is she stressing you?
I don't know. She wants to keep me like she killed her mother.
So you have the mind to insult my mother?
I did not. I cannot insult Mama.
So I'm lying.
No, you're not lying.
I'm lying. If you see, I'm not lying.
So you're trying to say that my mother is lying, Abi?
No.
She's a liar. Abi? She's a liar. She's a liar.
Don't stress yourself. Don't worry. Useless girl. And I put him in book. I know, man. You want me to pity you?
It's okay. Leave her alone. I'm so tired.
I didn't even know you were coming now. I would have cooked his money. Why can't I get his money? You
can still make it, Mama. You can still make it. I'm very, very tired. Okay. my slippers.
I'll bring it for you. I don't mind. I'll bring it for you. I'll bring everything. Oh, I'll bring everything. I'll bring your bag. Sorry, mom. Sorry. Easy. Imagine.
God, why me? Why me? What have I done? What have I done to deserve this evil stepmother? What have I done to deserve this pain and torture? Just look at me. Even in my condition, she beats me. She insults me and wishes me death. But look at Kim. She pampers her all the time. God, why not take my life? God, why not take my life? Why not take my life? Mama, where are you? Mama, where are you? I want to die. I'm tired. Mama, where are you? I'm tired of this life, Mom. Oh, God. I am tired. I can't take this anymore. I'm tired. God, you have caused me. I am tired.
I've been waiting for God to answer me. Oh God,
Mama, come and take me. I am tired. Mama, come and take me. Mama, come and take me. I am tired.
Let's go to bed. Since how many hours you've been here calling somebody and the person does not want to pick your call and you're still here working yourself up? What is it now? Let's go to bed.
It's possible she's not close to her phone.
But if I had told you this thing, will you believe me? Since morning, you've been calling somebody on phone. The person has not been picking your call. You're still calling.
I'm worried now. I need to know she's safe. I need to know she got to school safely. Come on.
Brother, you're worried. That's why you're here. But then what's the time? Since morning, you've been calling somebody. The person has not been picking your calls and you're still calling.
That is why I'm worried.
By the way, brother, why are you calling her with this one? Where is your Android phone? Your Android phone.
It's faulty, so I gave it for repairs.
Okay, Brother, leave this girl. I've told you before and I'm still telling you again, this girl is using you. That girl might be somewhere now, maybe in a club, doing tika, and you're here disturbing yourself. Let's go and sleep. I'm going to bed.
How can I sleep when... Oh, I can't sleep now. I need to know she's fine. I can't go to bed without knowing she's fine. I need to find out if she got to school safe. I'm worried. I've been calling her all day and she's not taking my calls. It's very, very strange. Someone that traveled.
No. Igwe, why are you poisoning the mind of my daughter against marrying the prince? You talk to me as if I'm a child. What do you mean? How? I only said I shall have a word with the prince regarding his attitude to my niece. My wife said you are interfering. Granted, I know my daughter loves you so much. But you must remember that she is my daughter and I'm the king of this kingdom. And do you know? What are you saying? Huh? What do you mean? How dare you raise your voice at me? No. You should lead by example. You should not raise yours too, because I am not your boy. No. Leave my palace. Leave my palace right now or I call the guard to throw you out. You're always like this. And you think you know it all. If Chisindri becomes the queen of Umako kingdom, and Sunday comes back here and tell us that she is quitting the marriage, I hope you will not pull your gun at her. I will pull the trigger and tear your brains apart for affecting the heart of my little baby against me. Now get out of my palace right away. Get out. And don't you ever talk to me no more. Look at this. Human beings. What business does he have with my daughter's affair? Poisoning the mind of my daughter against the prince. You can't get me on that. You can trust me on that. No.
gentlemen, behold the queen and the most beautiful mother I have.
My
There she is.
You're welcome. How have you been?
Welcome, your majesty.
My darling. Ichie.
My queen.
Ichie, how are you?
Hi, my queen.
Let's sit down.
You're welcome, mother.
Thank you, darling. Hi. Oh.
It has been confirmed our official queen is a virgin.
Wow, great.
May the gods be praised.
Yes, sir.
Congratulations, my queen.
Oh.
This is the greatest news I've heard in a century.
Oh,
Mother.
Yes. We have a wedding to plan.
Oh, yes.
My
Yes.
God.
Yes, you can say that again.
It just made me proud.
And I think at this point, ladies and gentlemen, I have to declare a feast for this good news. Mother, don't you think so?
Of course, you have to. Of course.
In fact, we need to be very fast about it because we have no much time. Huh? We need to bring our official queen home to crown both of you, king and queen of our great land. Huh? And we are looking towards that.
Yes! To tell you the truth, I cannot wait to have my beautiful, elegant darling as my daughter-in-law and queen of this kingdom.
Yes.
Thank you, your majesty.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, it will interest you to know that I, the prince of this kingdom, want to specially celebrate this. Iche, please come over. I am sorry, I have to leave you for now.
Congratulations.
My queen. Thank you, mother.
Oh, you raised a daughter. You raised a great daughter.
Thanks to the
Ah,
gods.
Chisimdi, you made me proud.
Thank you, mother. I should go see the princess.
Okay, yeah, I think you need to.
Thank you, mother.
If you are not a virgin, you will not be able to cross that royal horn freely. It will totally reject you. And if you try to force your way, it will strike your stomach. What? I am telling you, it's not an ordinary horn. It's for the royals. I went through such process before I got married to your father.
Really?
Yes. It's tradition. It's tradition and you can't even beat it. Okay, let me tell you this funny story.
Tell me.
About one princess princess of what? I've forgotten. He wanted to marry Prince of Umunede.
Okay.
She was not a virgin. I witnessed the whole thing. She tried to bribe her way.
What happened?
She tried almost 7 times before the horn got angry and was about to strike her. I witnessed it. I was there. Wow. Nobody knew she was sleeping with her father's chief driver. Huh? Yes! She confessed it. She was disgraced. The family was disgraced. And that was the end of that marriage. Everybody got disappointed. We all went home disgracefully. You see tradition. Respect tradition. Do not joke with tradition, I'm telling you. Especially with the royals. My princess.
Mother.
I thank the gods for giving me the strength to raise a responsible princess.
Thank you, mother.
That's my beloved.
Father.
May the gods bless you for not bringing shame to me.
Father.
May the gods protect and guide
you. You too, Father.
I heard the news and it gladdened my heart.
Yes, my lord.
Well, this is just the first stage. We are ready to receive them.
Yes, my lord.
Father, how about Uncle? Didn't he hear of my return?
Just go inside, relax, and rest your head. He went on an errand.
Oh, that's fine, Father.
It's all right. I'm so proud of her. Really, really proud of her.
I am too.
Well, I want to, thank you for giving me a great daughter. And I think I cannot help but to tell you thank you again for nurturing her to this point. I'm so happy.
You're welcome, my lord.
Let's go.
You're not in the palace. Father says you went on an errand. Uncle, you know that's not true. You have always been with my father. And not today that I'm supposed to return to the palace. Tell me, is something wrong? Did you both argue? Uncle, talk to me, please. What's going on? I need to tell you something. I need to see you. You know what? I'll just come to the house. Better yet, you come to the palace. Please, Uncle. Pretty please. Okay. Bye.
I want you all to listen and listen attentively. If the princess gets to find out that there are 3 maidens in this palace, I'm going to kill all of you. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, my prince.
Get out.
Sorry.
I said get out. Hey, Ogechi, wait. Come here. I know the princess will interrogate you. But you dare not tell her about our affairs. Or by chance, tell her there are 3 maidens in this palace. Because if you do you know what is going to happen to you?
No, my prince.
I'll tell you. I will instruct the guards to take you to Yinjaba. And then they will throw you inside. You're going to drown there peacefully. The woes will eat you up. And that will be your end. Trust me, nothing will happen.
Do you or do you not understand?
I understand, my prince.
Good. Now that we're on the same page, you can fly, run, or disappear. Whichever you choose. Get out!
This food is very nice.
Trust your mother now. Eh? Trust your mother. You love it, okay? Yeah?
I love it.
Nearly, unnem.
Mama.
Eh?
Since I came, I've been eating. Mama.
I want your husband to know that you've visited your mother. Even the pepper soup and agidi. I should bring it. Hey!
Don't give me with food though.
I want the baby to be chubby. The bouncing baby. I have say
Mama, you're bouncing baby.
Give one.
Sister.
Can know what kind of wahala is this? What is it? Which?
Oh, you've not eaten since last night. Hi. And so get the measure.
For my baby.
Rinsing. Go and eat shit. I don't. Do I look like your mother?
I want thou.
I'm your sister.
Who is your sister? Who?
Please, I'm very hungry. Please.
Yeah. Now. If you want food, go to your mother's grave. Cry on top of her grave. She will give you food. Now let me talk to my daughter. Can you imagine? If recording, stick. Idiot. Cause you eat it, my baby. You need another game manaro. You are one agadaga ya bunkuli.
Isi the move with
I so bad. I'll be there with you. You see, I go to Hey, I'm lifting the car. I should open the mouth.
Hey, easy. Okay, don't rush the food so it will not choke you.
Come and join me now.
No, don't worry. Thank you, I've eaten.
Are you sure?
Yes, I've eaten.
Okay.
So, tell me, where are you from?
Okay, I'm from Uwala Kingdom.
That place is far. You come all the way from Uwala to come here and hug? Hey!
From my stepmother. That was how I met your brother.
Yes, it's true. I remember that, it's true. That place is far.
Very far. Sorry for the inconveniences.
No problem. Do you want anything cold, like cold mineral?
Sure, I need. Don't be offended. Just to have more rice.
Yes, no, I'll pack for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
God bless you.
You know what?
Thank you.
I've been waiting for God to answer me. Oh God, I remember. Oh God, I remember.
What happened now? I've been calling you for days. You've not been answering my calls.
I came back very late and I was tired.
Amaka, where have you been now? I've been calling you for days. You've not been taking my calls.
Is that why you gave me 25 missed calls and 45 SMS? Onyeka, who does that?
Amaka, it doesn't matter if I call you 50 times. You're supposed to take my calls. You got me worried.
Yes, I went for lectures because I was late.
Important lecture. So your lecture is more important than me.
What am I even telling you about lecture? Did you go to school? Oh, it's Timpataka.
I didn't go to school. Is that what do you mean I didn't go to? Do you speak English better than me?
When I asked you go to school, you said no. There is POS that you know.
Hello?
Please don't call me like this, oh. Don't call me like this again. I'm not holding your kidney. Please, bye. Bye.
Hello, Amaka? Can you imagine? She ended the call. Hello? Hello, Amaka? Hello?
You're calling me as if
And who was that?
He's my other brother. Don't mind him. He always call me as if I'm holding his kidney. Told him, don't call me like that.
Is he also the POS man?
Eh?
Is he also the POS man?
Oh, the POS man. Oh, yes. Oh, the POS man. He was the one that borrowed money from. Yes, and that reminds me. I forgot to transfer the money he lent me. Oh, let me do that now.
Well, it's okay. I don't know what you are doing in the kitchen. I want you to be fast. I want to eat before I go out.
Okay, baby. I will, baby. I'm trying to transfer the money to the POS guy. I believe that's why he was calling me as if I'm holding his kidney. Has been calling like a fool. POS guy. Nonsense guy.
You check what's in the kitchen.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Hey, man. You want to spank your baby? I love you, baby.
Love you too. Bolinga bi okwebo bibi. That's all.
Complete.
Ma?
I hope it's complete.
Oh, it is. It's complete.
I hope it's complete.
Sir?
I hope it's complete.
Yes, it's complete.
All right.
Oh, Ada, these clothes are so fine. Thank you. I know you love them. Especially this one. This one will fit your tummy.
Yeah, I love it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
So
I'm
tell
very
me,
grateful.
You've not told me anything about your family, at least the father of your unborn child.
It's a long story, Ada. But I promise to tell you in the evening when I come to sell my vegetables. Okay?
Okay.
For now, they are not aware I came out.
Alright, no problem.
I'll tell you.
And tell this baby that I'm the godmother. Oh.
Baby, are you listening? Your godmother gave me clothes.
Did you hear? Every other godmother is a counterfeit.
Fake.
Did you hear? I'm your godmother.
Yeah, she is.
Please take care of
you.
yourself. Oh.
Thank you. I appreciate.
My princess, you sent for us.
Oh, yes. I like the POS guy. Go bring him to my hotel room.
Yes, my princess.
I shall be waiting for you people.
Okay, my princess.
Wow. Amanda,
Mom.
you are back.
Yes, Mom.
You need to come and see the decoration they are putting up for your brother's engagement.
serious?
Oh my God. You will love it. I am so thrilled. Ogechi is very good. Come, let me show you.
Okay, Mom.
I can't believe that girl is. Come and see. Come see what the girls did.
Wow.
Wow, isn't this beautiful? You know your brother is engaging his actual.
Yes,
Nice.
it's a secret, Mom. Yes. Oh, this is beautiful.
Oh my God.
Mom, I need to be somewhere. I'll be back.
Where are you going to?
Mom, I'll be back before the event.
You have to stay here to welcome the princess. She's already on her way.
Mom, I said I'll be back before the event.
Amanda.
Please.
Amanda.
I'll be back.
Amanda can never put her ass down in one place. Anyway, you girls did a great job. I'm impressed. I can't wait to see the look on the princess' face when she comes. Oh my God. This is actually lovely.
Maduka. 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 What is this?
My prince. My prince.
Sorry.
You did not hear me call you.
Had they toilet? Had they serious duty when you they call me?
I see. Are you having running stomach or something?
No. You know, I know the shit. So now once in a month now they shit. And once I they shit that once in a month, so I they take time. You know, believe now 5 hours I don't dey inside that place, so but na normal shit.
Malika, I'm not cut out for this your whole drama, right? I need the girls. I need some girls. Good ones. That reminds me, the bunch of fools you brought to me the last time. One of them was on the missus.
Hey!
When I asked her why would she do that, she told me, the more blooded, the more sweeter. Where did you get those bunch of fools from? I don't want it to repeat itself again.
My prince, which of the girls be that? So that I go feel blacklist her. I go keep her or conquer give you.
Well, it has happened. So, let's cut all those off. I want you to go get me good girls. Clean, shapy girls. You know what I like, right?
Yeah.
I want them sizey. Especially those ones with better boobs. Right? But I think I need a little touch of Imsu, Esut, and that of Ibariam.
Oh,
because Ibariam have good looks. You understand what I mean?
Yes.
Okay. So ensure you get them, stock them in my room tonight.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes. My prince, I beg, no vex. No say you be correct, man. I beg, sorry, I be teasing her today. You suppose engage the princess of Umuachi kingdom.
Maduka.
My prince.
Are you okay?
Yes.
Have you got nuts?
No.
Are you mad or something?
No, I'm not mad.
Is it your proposal? Hi. What's your business?
No. Me, common man. I want to propose to a famous princess of Umuachi kingdom.
The next time, read my lips, the next time you poke nose in my affairs or interfere on my affairs, I'll cut off your tongue.
Sorry.
Did you hear me?
Yes. Sorry.
Like I was saying before you rudely interrupted, go get me girls. Stock them in my room. Don't forget, touch of Imsu, Esut, and that of Ibariam. What did I say?
A touch of Imsu, Esut, and Ibariam.
I said I need a touch of Imsu, Esut, and that of Ibariam. What did I say?
I need a touch of Imsu, Esut, and Ibariam.
Maduka, are you stupid?
No, my prince.
I said I need, the prince needs Esut, Imsu, and that of Ibariam.
Oh, it's not that you say a prince need. You were saying I need. That is why I'm putting I need.
Maduka, get out. Disappear. Stupid.
My prince,
See, I will combine them, just to appease the gods. Sorry, to appease my prince, I will even add ebony to it. They are good.
Why won't you go to Sokoto? Go to Kano, or better still, go to Gombe and get me Hausa girls too. Get out of this place.
Sorry.
Get lost! Compound fool.
My prince, let me add Kwara girls. Ndị anwa akwara and a na-akwa akwa. Kwara. My prince.
Where have you been? I've been searching all over for you ever since we met.
I feel the same way. And I'm really sorry I've stressed you out.
I feel heartbroken. Because now that I've found you, I have to go to Canada to further my studies. It hurts because the time is so short.
What about him? The prince?
You know, you just kissed me.
Yes, I know.
So why did you kiss me?
I was hoping to take your attention from thinking too much.
Well, you're mistaken because now you've made it worse. Because I can't stop thinking about you. Tell me, what can we do to spoil my betrothal to the prince? Talk to me.